Hello my fellow NITians. Today we are here to discuss on a very hot topic, that is, does nuclear power is a gateway to our future? As it's a very current topic and our government is fighting over it that whether we should go for nuclear power or not. So I would like to discuss upon that nuclear power is a boon or a base. So I would like anyone in favor for it, please come.
Good afternoon friends, myself Mohit Tal from CS and I am in favor of nuclear power. Nuclear power offers a very impressive energy resource in today's life, because it is very efficient and cleaner than coal. It produces lots of energy with respect to hydroelectricity and electricity produced by coal. It is a very efficient power generation, less solid fuel consumption also. And in today, every country is moving behind these nuclear resources for the development, because in today we have more than 400 power plants of nuclear energy, out of which 100 are situated in America. And we can also say that all developed countries have used nuclear energy. All developed countries use nuclear energy for their future. And also India is also making efforts to have a good nuclear energy setup, and also this energy can use in making security reasons of, like America has many nuclear bombs for the safety, like China and India also have. Thank you.
As you rightly mentioned that for sure we need development, but I don't see development as a replacement for environment. They both should go hand in hand. That's where the concept of sustainability keeps. And if we're talking about countries like US and UK, then I would like to tell you that countries like Germany have backed off. They have prioritized the risk rather than the benefits of nuclear power. And countries including Italy, they have also condemned the use of nuclear power. They have restricted the setup of new nuclear power and decommissioned the existing one. So that's why I feel that India cannot handle the risk that comes with this technology. Hello everyone, I'm Soumya from EC and I'm here to speak against the use of nuclear power for energy. Although nuclear power is supporting India financially and in defense, but it has many side effects, like the waste disposal that is dumped into the rivers is hazardous, and when this water is used for irrigation purpose, it causes many severe health hazards. And as my friend said that nuclear power is very efficient, but I would say that although it may be efficient, but the installation cost is very high, and not only the installation cost, the nuclear plant needs regular maintenance and function, for which we need money, and India is not such a good country. It is in its developing stage, so we can't waste our money and all these things. And moreover, nuclear plant has a lifetime of 80 to 100 years. That is, it focus on a short span of time, but we need to focus on something that is renewable, eco-friendly, as well as can support us for a long time. And even the tests done on these nuclear plants are quite unreliable, and the results are everlasting. For example, we can take the case of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Instead of these nuclear plants, we can use substitutes like solar energy, tidal energy, wind energy. They are more reliable, eco-friendly, and they don't have any such side effects.
काफ़ी अच्छा लगा कि दोनों तरफ जो भी लोग हैं वो ये चाहते हैं कि हमारी कंट्री का प्रोग्रेस हो, लेकिन कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो काफ़ी मायने रखती हैं। जैसे सेफ्टी, जैसी भी बात कर रही थी कि सेफ्टी एक बहुत बड़ा इशू है, लेकिन किसी 3 बड़े घटना के कारण अगर हम किसी न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट को रिजेक्ट कर देते हैं तो ये हमारे लिए खराबी है। 3 घटनाएं, एक 2011 की है, एक 1979 की है और एक 1970 की आसपास की है। उस 3 घटना की अगर न्यूक्लियर पावर को खराब मानते तो हमारी गलती है। इसका एग्जाम्पल आप ऐसे ले सकते हो, एक हमारे यात्रा करने का सबसे अच्छा साधन है प्लेन, और वही काम हम कार से भी कर सकते हैं। लेकिन अगर कोई दुर्घटना घटती है प्लेन से तो वो टीवी के हेडलाइन बन जाती है। वो आज जो रिलायबल न्यूज़ चैनल्स हैं उनकी हेडलाइंस होती है, लेकिन अगर वो कार एक्सीडेंट्स होते हैं तो वो कभी भी हेडलाइंस नहीं होती है। कारण कि जो चीज़ बड़ी होती है उसके पीछे काफ़ी कॉन्ट्राडिक्शंस होते हैं, काफ़ी लोग उसका फेवर नहीं भी करते हैं। और रही बात कि जैसा मुझे उम्मीद थी कि आपको बोलिएगा कि कुछ गलत हाथों में ये एनर्जी चली जाती है तो काफ़ी नुकसान हो सकता है। ऐसे तो एक थोड़ा प्रैक्टिकल होकर सोचने वाली बात है कि इंसान ही आतंकवाद पैदा करता है, इंसान के ही बच्चे आतंकवादी होते हैं। तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं हो सकता कि माँ बाप से गवर्नमेंट कह दे कि आप बच्चे को जन्म देना बंद कर दीजिए। तो पावर प्लांट को सेटअप करने का मतलब हमें पूरी तरीके से एनर्जी को यूटिलाइज करना। और एक सबसे अच्छी बात है, न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट को इस्टेब्लिश करने में खर्चा बहुत आता है, लेकिन जो उसका यूज़ है वो बहुत ज़्यादा है। अगर कोल से हम एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस करते हैं उसका 200 टाइम्स ज़्यादा हम 20 टाइम्स हम ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं यूरेनियम से, तो ये हमारी बेनिफिशियल है।